Hello and welcome to this Pundit PI8000 tutorial. Impact Echo, Spot Mode, Review. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to play with results and detect concrete thickness and defects. Step 1. Once you have calibrated the wave speed, you can start collecting data. Step 2. Perform as many impacts as needed until you get a good waveform for the signal. Step 3. You can navigate from one impact to another by pressing the impact button. The waveform highlighted in orange is the most accurate one of the whole series of impacts. Step 4. If the value received is smaller than the average thickness of the element, it is very possible that there is a defect or an embedded object. You can always delete any individual impact by pressing the number of the impact. Step 5. You can create new measurement spots by clicking the plus button. You can also delete any additional spot created by sliding left. Step 6. You can eliminate the signal noise using the high and low pass filters. You can also automatically identify the FFT peak by selecting the Auto Detection button. In addition, units can be changed from metric to imperial and vice versa. Menu can also be switched from right side to left side. Step 7. More information about the defined spots can be included selecting the Information button. The name of the spot can be changed. You can also upload a photo from the library or create your own. Creating a voice note or written comments is also possible here. There is a logbook that stores all the changes you perform with the hardware and software.